Okay, so actually we're gonna upload two videos today. I forgot to upload the previous video, but I went through and actually checked it and just to make sure I had already put everything in here. Now, the one I was talking about from Chicago, this is it. This is one of the first NSF items that hopefully we'll be reprinting. I think they shouldn't have any problems with us reprinting it. This is the Canadian Songbook of the Wobblies. Of course, everything is in um, acetate things. This is actually up on the eBay. I believe it's $65 because no one has it. I'll pull it out. I'll pull it out. This would have been an NSF item if they were no longer printing it. I know it looks like backwards, but it says Mr. Block. For anyone who does not know who Mr. Block is, if you ever do see this video, because we don't promote anything, go check out Utah Phillips' song Mr. Block, which is a song by Joseph Emanuel Hagelin, who is a Swedish immigrant for the Wobblies. This is basically, I believe it was a character he actually created. I think it might be against the AFL, who now the Wobblies are good with. I think it might be an AFL, a joke about AFL members. I'm not sure, don't hold me to it. This will go up on the shop hopefully today. IWW songs to Disband the Flames, and this is 1976 third printing, 34th edition. And then this is the cream of the crop. Like I said, when I bought this, I think I bought the Mr. Block was $25, the Wobbly book was $15. This I thought was a CD. I think I paid like $25. And this is what this came in the mail. I'm not gonna try to pull it out of the thing. IWW Rebel Voices Remainder LP. And I almost thought it for a second that it was signed by. I almost thought for a second that it was signed by the great voice of the Southwest, Utah Phillips, and that would be holy moly. I mean, it would. If it was signed by him. That was about 25, and but yeah, I mean, if you guys ever get a chance to, it's beasleybooks.com. Very easy, friendly people. I mean, I can't say enough good stuff about them. I did have to contact the owner to make sure this went out. She's a little slow on providing tracking, but yeah. Oh, and speaking on this one, when I said that this was the oldest existing anarchist printing press, this is why. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see. It says 1886 established on the back of the book. That's cool. They've been struggling for class struggles for almost 200 years. So, yeah, peace out, and I will put this and the AK up. I'll probably put this up as a rare book room or anarchist material from a rare book room haul. And then, yeah. So, peace out.